Bloody fly. Don't know if that's going to work. It's a different chat again. That is so annoying. Okay, we're good to go. Looks like. Great. The first thing you guys see is me killing a fly, or trying to. Amazing. So then how do you lot get to see? Copy. How did he do that? Just go to YouTube. Oh. 3 watching? How can there be? Oh my god, somebody's actually Discord. How did he do that? Just go to YouTube. Oh, I can hear me. That's funny. Oh. 3 watching? How can there be? There we go. Oh my god, somebody's actually okay. Discord. I'm not going to get any better at this. Oh my god! It's my son. Go to YouTube. Oh, I can hear me. That's funny. Oh. 3 watching? How can there be? There we go. Oh my god, somebody's actually okay. Discord. I'm not going to get any better at this. Oh my god! It's my son. Okay. Oh, I can hear me. That's funny. Oh. 3 watching? How can there be? There we go. Oh my god, somebody's actually okay. Discord. I'm not going to get any better at this. Oh my god! It's my son. Okay. Oh, I can hear me. That's funny. Oh. 3 watching? How can there be? There we go. Oh my god, somebody's actually okay. Discord. I'm not going to get any better at this. Oh my god! Oh, it's definitely turn off. Oh, I can hear me. That's funny. Yeah, you can't anymore. It was. Oh, come on. Discord. I'm in this Discord. So how do I? Oh, I can invite Noodle Me. Okay, I've sent you an invite. Oops. Oh my god, typing is awful. My wife's playing classical music downstairs. Oh, I'll never perfect this. It will be a complete amateur joke constantly. It is the nature of the Noodle Me joined the party. What's that mean? I don't know what that means. Does that mean you've... Maybe you should come on mine. Maybe I should go in mine and do it. Noodle Me is on a phone. So if I go into that and I come out of his... Oh, I am out of his. And then invite you. No. Can I drag you in there? No. No, create invite. Oh, maybe you are on me. I can oh no, hang on, there's you. You're not on, oh, you're not on Discord. Although it, oh, I don't know. It's beyond me. If you know where I am, find me. So with this game, there was a problem with the bombing. And then I thought about what I might have been too stupid with this, because if I drop a bomb there, okay, that's fine. I don't mind it going too far over. I want to drop a bomb going that way. Now, yeah. No, but that means it's not doing the least significant bit right. And then it drops off over there. So it thinks, because of that, where it is. Okay. So I think I've got an idea of... Oh, work. Okay. So what I was going to do, the player has the bomb at all times. So I should make that always have. The bomb. Oops. And if it does, carry that over. So that deals with a release point. And then the bomb That doesn't look right. No, that's not going to work. Because if the plane goes over and the bomb's going in the wrong direction, it will jump with it. And we don't want that. But the issue's definitely with the bomb. And it's screwing up the plane. Well, why is it screwing up the plane? That doesn't look, it doesn't look right. Because we've changed it, that is now updating the labels. Oh, I wonder if it's as simple as that. I wonder if I need to just clear the most significant part. Store that. And store that at MSI GX, because that will reset it no matter what. No. No, I don't want to end that. Hello. So when that plane flying that way, bomb's okay. Plane, yes. Just drunk.
that didn't change the sprite. That is okay, but it's... Stacy's there as well. How do Stacy? Oh. So it's fine going that way. It's absolutely fine, apart from that it's not showing the right sprite. Bomb flying right, I need to... Oh, no, because it gets it, doesn't it? And I change it when I go left. There's a sprite pointer somewhere. Except I don't see it. So this is just the... It's under control. It's under control. That's where I set this. That's why, because I've made an assumption it's going to be set right, but it's not. So, bomb sprite right is 9. Bomb end. New keyboard issues. So that will now fix the left and right, which means I can probably get rid of it out of the other one. Although it does look... Oh, no, it doesn't like that. It's still falling somewhere. It's under control. Eight C, 8B, 8. It's 8-8. Idiot. So I've got the right sprite shown, but it's not falling. So if I drop a bomb now, doesn't like it. Got the right one going now, but now it's not detecting it's hitting the ground. No. that'll stop it from breaking that bit. Okay, it's reset. That was okay, so that's definitely okay, but I've still got this MSB thing that's not right. Oh no, it's not. No. If you want to come on Discord, John, I'm happy for anyone to come on that. And think, oh, I might be on mine actually. I was on yours, but then my son came along, and but I don't know what went on. But you can yeah. Anyway, oh, might help if I clicked in here. That's okay. So the bomb going off and up to there is forcing that to go in the wrong place. It's got to be something to do with that. So I'm only doing the MSB for
Are you trying to get the bomb to? Are you trying to get?
You scared the crap out of me.
Are you trying to get the bomb on going the left-hand way to stop when it hits the end of the screen?
No, at the moment I'm trying to get the most significant bit to work for the bomb when going to the when it's going to the left. So at the moment, going to the right, it works absolutely fine. It goes across independent of the plane without any issue. So apart from the sprite spinning in the wrong position, see, that works fine. It keeps on going until it hits the ground, changes it back to 0. That though, and I don't care about that, that should be appearing at 255 off screen, because I was going to do the limits later. I need somebody to be able to press it when the plane starts coming on. Yes?
What are you doing?
I'm talking. Oh, can you get some Coke Zero? There's none in the fridge. Can you get some from the shop? Everyone can see you.
Who?
Ben, John,
Who's Ben?
Stacey. Ben's my son. Your brother. He was watching.
What are you doing?
I'm just doing a stream.
Oh,
Oh,
let's do it! Welcome to my
Hello,
stream! Today we're flying
can you get me
aeroplanes.
some Coke Zero?
I'm in pajamas.
Okay, then don't then. So the answer's no.
No.
Alright, cheers. Goodbye.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel.
What a knobhead. She gets it from me. Yeah, the going to the left is fine, but when I go to the right, go to the right is fine. When I go to the left though, the bomb is when the plane is beyond 255, the bomb is appearing at low end. And when the plane Oh. So when the joystick is pressed, fire is pressed, it makes the bomb go live. We load the player X and Y and the direction into the X and Y for the bomb and the bomb direction. And then we change the sprite to be the right sprite, but we've not told the sprite if it's beyond 255, if the most significant bit is set. And if it is set, I need to, for the aircraft, I need to set that for the bomb. That's what's missing. What I don't know is how I've got the bomb to go when I'm going to the right to be at the most significant bit, because it doesn't seem to affect it when it's going to the right. It only affects it when it's going to the left.
Is it because you're trying to set it while it's in the most significant bit area?
That's what I was wondering. I'm just going to check that right now by releasing it when the. I don't know why I'm pointing to you because you can't see me, but yeah, it just did it.
Right. Remember, I'm
a minute behind. I know.
But what I was about to say, mate, is if you're ever having trouble with the quickness of it, you can always slow the emulator
Oh
down.
yeah. It's not the quickness. I thought I had some logic in there. Oh, that would be too slow. I thought I had some logic in there that when I release the bomb and the plane is in the most significant bit, because the bomb was also releasing at that most significant bit, that I must have done that. But I've either done it and I can't see where I've done it, or it's just flukiness. But I've certainly not done it going to the left, and that's what the issue is.
Yes.
So what I need to do is when the bomb... Let me turn that back because that's going to take forever. When the bomb is in the most significant bit, I still don't see where I've done it, because the path is... if the plane is going to the right, we set the sprite pointer and then it goes back. We've set bomb live, goes back to main. Main then does a check. If the bomb is live, because it stores that A, so when it's a 1 we get an A on the screen, so I know I've hit the bomb. When the bomb is live,
it's when you're setting the initial X. It's when you're setting the initial X on your bomb as you're going left. If it's in the most significant bit, I don't think. Do you know the routine that you've got that sets the most significant bit? It's all right when you're going into that, yeah. But when you're setting it direct, do you need to run your most significant bit routine to populate that most significant bit for that sprite straight away? You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, I do. I'm
I mean, most significant bit maths is a pain up the backside at the easiest of times. But I think it's because you're probably setting the X value to be 255 plus whatever it is to be in the most significant bit area, but your BX is not being set. Now it's either not being set because we're setting the wrong bit, or it's not being set full stop, or it's not even going through the ORA.
the bomb flying to the right. It's definitely doing it, because I can see that that's working. It's when the bomb is flying to the...
Hang on a second. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm just looking at bomb flying right and bomb flying left. Right, so I'm about a minute behind you.
Yeah.
You're doing an LDA in store. You're not doing an OR. Because remember, you've got the most significant bit is controlled for 8 bits. Your plane could be overwriting it.
I've just looked at something else and corrected that.
So you should be ORing it because you're either wiping your plane out, most significant bit, or your plane is wiping the bomb out. Yeah, so you need to OR an AND. Yeah, so you need to OR it to switch it on and then store it back, and then you need to AND it to turn it off and then store it back. So you're loading the AND when really you should be loading the most significant
no,
bit
hang on.
and it.
No, it's because it's half the routine. Do you see I've got the JSR most significant bit check when I'm flying right? I haven't got it when I'm flying left.
Right, I'm hanging up now.
No, it's good that you're here because the routine would have done exactly what you said, but it's split now because the other part of it is here, and this is where I do the OR.
Yeah.
And this is the bit that we're changing.
Yeah.
So that's
But
the bit.
It's not in the first half. It's not in the left-hand one. You're setting the parameters ready to do the JSR.
Correct, but I didn't do the jump.
There you go.
I didn't do the jump.
Right, my invoice will be in the post, mate.
Eh?
My invoice will be in the post.
Oh, man.
Right, I'm going to become anonymous again.
Okay. Cheers.
Well, I'm hoping you'll sort it out. Is it working?
No, there's still a problem. There's still a problem.
I can't see yet until.
Oh, you'll catch it in a minute. And it's because it's going off screen and it's doing something with the MSBs. Yeah. So what I need to do now to stop that is just put a catch in.
Well, it's done. I've just seen it, but yeah.
When it goes off screen,
it's still
actually I
going.
shouldn't need to do that. I should be able to make it so it doesn't do that.
Yeah, that's what I was saying in the
It
chat.
shouldn't be a
Have you checked your bomb Y for your grass layer?
Yes.
Because when you get to the grass layer, you should stop the bomb, shouldn't you?
Yeah, and it does. The problem is when the bomb is going off to the left, it seems to be setting the plane. Oh.
The plane changes direction.
Yeah, it don't matter. It's that should turn it off and not touch the plane.
Yeah, because you only need to turn the bomb sprite off. You don't need to do anything else. But what did we say about?
Oh, right, yeah, no, you
set it to 0.
No, I put this in thinking this was the issue, but actually
right.
I might not need it. But that's
check it out and find out.
I just have done. Because all I'm doing is keeping the sprite on. I'm just pushing up to 00. But if it's on the most significant bit, it's going to be in the middle of the screen.
Yes.
And I don't want that. But anyway, it doesn't matter. Let me just see what happens
Remember,
this time.
you're the time traveller.
I am. Right, so now I need to make it go off. No, it's not that. So when it goes off, but it's still dropping, the MSB is being set for the plane.
Ooh, yeah.
Yeah, Oh, I could.
Check your MSB check
I think if
routing.
I do, it'll be fine if I do it here. It doesn't. That doesn't alter it, and that's working as I expect. It's when the bomb goes off.
Remember, when the bomb's going left, yeah, eventually it'll cross over from the 0 to the 255.
Yes, but
And
that shouldn't
so
have.
your MSB routing might actually be setting the MSB on.
It.
Because you're doing from 0 to 180, I think it was, wasn't it?
182, I think it is.
182. As soon as it crosses that 0, it's 255. So
Yeah.
what's your MSB check routine going to do with that? You see what I mean?
Yeah.
Now you've got to remember, Stuart, you've got to remember, you've got that buffer zone that's the border, yeah? That when the sprite goes off the screen, I think it goes off the screen about 20. It's at X20. You can test for the X being less than 20 and then say, right, that's the bomb off the screen.
Yeah.
Yeah? You don't have to wait for it to go to 0, because as soon as you go to 0, it goes to 255, and then I think your MSG shifter checker is then setting the most significant bit for something, and it doesn't need to. So I would just check your bomb X to be less than 20, and if it's less
Just
than
about
20,
to do that. I'm just doing that now, and it's if it's equal to or less than, the carry gets set, doesn't it?
yes. No, carry clear is less than.
Right.
It's equal to or greater than that's carry set.
Right.
So you want branch of carry clear if it's less than 20.
Do you know? I think I should make a rude one. I'll just put a load of really rude labels in it. So this will be set bomb. Oops. 214. LDX hash dollar 14 ST. Oh, and that's it. So that's now set the bomb to never go below 14, which is 20.
Yeah.
I think we've just gone around an issue rather than fixing an issue. But I'm not Shallan, so do I care? One day I probably will. I think I might have already done the offset. It's not 14, it's going to be, is it 2? Let me just try 2.
Hey!
Just go straight down in
Yeah.
Oh, hang on. No. I could just make it go to 0. I don't care if it's at 0 and it goes beyond, it will be set to 0.
Yeah, what's happening is your Y's taking over, isn't it? Your Y's still updating. So you've stopped the X updating because you're setting it.
Yes, but I'm going to be doing an animation soon so that the bomb will stop going forwards and it will eventually it will accelerate down and it will soon drop vertically.
Vertically down, yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to set that to 2. So then that shouldn't ever go negative. It must be when it's going negative it's causing
Yeah, your MSB check routine's having an issue with it. There
Yeah.
you go. Oh, the plane's still doing most significant bit.
Yeah, I don't know why.
You're setting the plane's most significant bit for some
There we
reason.
go. Look, it's you'll catch up in
Well,
a
I'll
minute's
catch
time.
up. Yeah, you're the time traveller.
There we go. That trap for 2 fixes that. Actually, do you know what?
Yay, sorted.
If it
That's done it.
I don't want that to happen. If it's no, I'm gonna change that. Branch of carry set
Is equal to or greater than.
branch of carry set to continue the bomb going left, otherwise jump to bomb end. Because if it's off screen, why do I care if it's going to be dropping?
Yeah, exactly.
In terms of understanding the BNE copy machine code, what would be the best book to read? The C64 reference guide just isn't the best. You need to watch Shannon's Let's Make a Game Together, and he goes through the early instructions like LDA, load and store, and compare. And I didn't know that about the compare. I knew once I'd watched it, I found out that I knew it was one way or the other, and old school's just told me that if you compare a number and it's I can't remember which way round, but it's if it's the same as or greater, then the carry flag gets set. If it's less than, it gets cleared. So because he also goes into branch on minus.
Minus and plus.
The episodes are long, but they're so informative. And my last one was 4 and a bit hours, I think, and I don't cover half the shit that I do that he does.
The branch shift minus and branch shift plus is just basically a different flag that's being tested.
Yeah,
but it
because
has the same
branch shift
effect.
minus is from 128 up to 255.
Yes.
And that threw me. But honestly, spend your time watching his stuff. The first 3 episodes of building a game. I think I'm only on the 4th one, Stacey, and it is. They're very, very good.
There is a book. There is a book. If you want to understand, I presume this is Stacey asking this, yeah.
Yeah, just write it in the YouTube chat because it'll come up and then somebody else will get it. And
Right. The best book to understand the instructions. Now, this is the best book to understand the 6502 instructions. Is Programming the 6502 by Rodney Zack. You will understand.
Hang on. Let me just see if I've. What did you say it was called? Programming the
6502 by Rodney Zack.
Books.
It's in the archive.org. If you go into the archive.org.
It's in archive.org.
Yeah. Because that tells you what effect each instruction has on the various CPU flags.
Archive.org.
And just search Programming the 6502 by Rodney Zack.
Programming the 6502 by Rob somebody.
Rodney, R-O-D-N-A-Y, Zack, Z-A-K-S.
R-O-D-N-E-Y or N-A-Y?
A-Y.
N-A-Y, Rodney.
Yeah. Rodney Zack.
Oh, that's useless. I've got a 503 error, hang on. No.
Because I've just got the lift 11 hole 6502 book. I've just had that because I've just tweeted about it a couple of days ago, and that's a really good book. But it's a bit more advanced, that one. But the Rodney Zap one has pictures of how the instructions affect the CPU.
Yep.
And it's really, really good if you want to try and understand what does a compare do, what flags does it set depending on the conditions and stuff like that. What does a load do because they affect the flag? What does an and do and stuff like that?
Hey, chick.
That,
Sorry, my daughter's just here. Come on.
that's the book.
What? Are you just saying goodnight?
Yeah, I didn't realise you were talking to people.
Okay.
Yeah, well, near the bottom. Oh, I'm
I'll see
behind.
you
You've
see
just
you in a
gone
minute.
past it.
Sorry, daughter's saying goodnight.
Yeah. It was there on the screen halfway down. Oh, you've moved it now.
Yeah, I've got the book. I'm looking for the
Oh,
book.
yeah.
I've got the books on the screen. I was looking to see if there was a PDF.
Yeah.
Because the other one is to do that easy6502.org, because you can see all the registers.
Well, to be honest, the debugger in CVM Prod Studio is really good. For
Yeah, I don't know how to use it.
Because that shows you all the instructions and everything.
If I knew how to use it, I would absolutely do it, but I don't. So, where's the download button?
You have to go into the formats, and then you've got the various formats.
Oh yeah, sorry. Oh, we had an issue where everything just sort of froze. It didn't like the Wayback Machine. So, what happened after all that? Oh yeah, that's what I was doing. So if it goes beyond 0, I want the bomb to just become doesn't care and not do anything. which it does do. Now, I guess... Yep, I got booted too. Everything hung. Now I want to know, do I have... Yep. Yeah, me too. OBS still. And Discord. I guess there's no point me being in the Discord speak channel. So, so I've made that finish. I should also do it when it's going the other way. But when I check the bomb going the other direction, oh, that's not right either. If I release the bomb at the wrong point, it's going to end. So I need to do more than that. I need to check if the most significant byte is set. Oh no, I wonder if I... Oh crap. So if I've loaded it and then... No, that's not right. I can't do that. But I can use A. If I load that and OR it, if 1 and 1 equals... So, so it's not equal to 0, which is what I want it to be. I want it to carry on. So I think if I do that as soon as it returns, no, still. So that, I don't know then how to do an OR on A. It can't be the opposite of what I thought. Or maybe I just thought wrong. Holy shit. Oh, I must have had it all wrong then. Oh. Well, that's my head completely screwed. I wonder if we should do this on Zoom. Because I've got a Zoom account and it's a paid for account, so that would allow live coding with no delay. So then equally, bomb flying right, where I do the increment, do I LDX, okay, so it's before this, right, okay, so I'm basically inserting into here, it's setting the player the number I need to get to, which is the extreme on the left before it switches around. It's not that one. Player change left. I want the player where it changes right. Oh no, that is right. 172. So it's AC. So I really should just copy this, then alter. Oh, I hate that happening. It's not a debugger, it's a bookmark. And I don't know what. B turns it on, doesn't bloody turn it off though. Another feature. So load the most significant bit. So we're going to do comp bomb right. Comp bomb right. This is where we do the compare. That's AC. So can't be that easy. No, because it's not. It's going to be that. What is? Oh yeah. That's not broken. That's not broken. So if I drop a bomb now, bloody hell, that worked. So we've not fixed it, we've just bypassed the issue. And then the next bit I wanted to do was the routine that does X and Y. Because we can do the rest of the control of the bomb later. This is the guts we're trying to do first. So in main, the bomb is live, we update the bomb, and then JSR gets bomb XY. So I have a bomb X and a bomb Y. So it's going to be bomb X pos, bomb Y pos. And this is the Y on screen of bomb, whereas this is effectively, this is the X of sprite on screen divided by 2, and that is the Y of sprite on screen. And this is the plane. Bomb sprite. And that's the Y of sprite on screen. So, so I need to load and that's going to be whatever it is. It's going to be a number and I need to divide it by 4. Because bomb X is already divided by 2. Bomb X is already divided by 2. And bomb X is already divided by 2 before it puts it on the screen. What am I looking for? I'm looking for the player frame, aren't I? Oh, god damn. I think I must have. Okay, sorry, I just got completely distracted in my head. So if I want to divide it by 4, I need to do 2 LSRs. And store that in the bomb expos. $160, $80, $40. And because it's not halved on that one, and store that in bomb YPOS. So if I don't need that thing anymore, so if I store that at see it on the screen, and remove in the control. No, it's not in there, it's in main, isn't it? Yep. I don't need that. Yes I do. I just don't need that one. So now I'm hoping I get X and Y of the plane of the bomb. So there's 25 lines on the screen. Why am I... That looks right. but it's not right because I've not done the offsets yet. So it should be stopping at Y. That really does look pretty close right to me. Which just means that I need to, I don't need this open. I don't think I need that open. God, all this to do a left and right and drop a bomb. What do they do? This is the most significant bit part. Sprite to change, I bet that's a sprite to change direct, whoops. Oh, sprite to car collision, that's just something we can't do at the moment, which is what we're setting this up for. This is poking the plane and its position, which they can do so much easier in basic. Anyway, I'll leave that for the moment. Open. So I am getting the X position. No, this is the Y position because that's pretty easy to do. I'm sure the top right hand screen is 51. Is the first viewable pixel. 50. X is 24, Y is 50. So if I on Y do I need, if I subtract, do I need to clear the carry before I do that? SVC. Subtract with a borrow. Add one when page boundary is crossed. Oh my god, I've seen them happen now, I don't know what that means. Okay, let's just figure it out. So SVC, oops. Hash 16, 32, 48, 50. So I've taken away 50 and then we're dividing it by 3 and then we're starring it in that. So I think that means we should never get more than Y displayed when we drop a bomb in the second column. Interesting, it does go to Y. Let's get it a bit lower. Actually, I'd probably be sensible. So it's definitely going to Y. which is, that is 25 then, which is the bottom line on the screen. And that means, right, but I've also got the character distance to think about. So the bomb remains inside that, so there's one more character to go, which is 5 more pixels. So I actually need to extract bomb Y needs to be another that 25 is the top left. So if it's top 20, if it's in the top left, the bomb will appear one character lower than it should, which is actually row 1. So when it is in '25, the bomb will be in 26, which means I need to subtract. I need to subtract another 8 pixels. Is my what I think I should be doing, and that does the offset inside the sprite. I'm subtracting 50, which is hex for 32 is hex for 50, and oh, actually I'll probably type it, it's quicker. No, I'm subtracting 50, which is hex 32, but I need to subtract another 8, as the bomb is 8 lines below the start of the sprite. Oh, and then oh yeah, that's just never going to work. I even looked at that and thought that's not right. So it should just start nice and low. It's gone too far. I've gone the wrong way. I needed to add 8, not take another 8 off. That's going to be so slow. Oh, maybe not. Yes, it is. Okay, that's showing me a different routine. What? 3 times LSR to divide by 8. Isn't it? 248. So if it's 250, if it's 250 and it's 125, if it's 160 and you divide by 8, you're going to end up with 20. Yes. Yes. So I think there's 2 things going on here. One is the bomb isn't ending right. I divide if it's greater than or equal to, the carry is clear. So if it's, I don't want 2550 I don't want it to be there, do I? Y is 229 is the screen viewing area, Y of 229. That's the top left of the sprite. 229 plus 8 is 237. 237. That's why it's going off so far. 237 is ED. That should be ED. That'll stop the bomb going on the top of the... I think that'll stop at the top of the last line, where the grass is. I can't believe you watch me this long, John. That's just mental. Because I'm not even bloody good at this shit. I just... Ugh. So I need to bring that up by 8. It actually might be more than that. Because I want it to drop, I want it to blow up when it hits the top of the grass. You're just taking me in as your protege thinking, oh my god, this guy was crap. And now he's crap, but at least he can do something. You watch, I'm going to get a load of patrons next just feeling sorry for me. But at least people know what it's really like to code as a beginner. There we go. That's blowing up. It's going away at the grass level, which is right, but it shouldn't be Z. Why? I don't know why it's going to Z. It's going to... I'm seeing a V. I'm seeing a V. So I'm seeing a V when the sprite is there. Which is row 23. What's the 23rd letter of the alphabet? W, X, Y, Z. 26, 25. But it will be a V because the first line is an @ symbol. And I just realised I can stop being an idiot and look at this. So 22 plus 0 is 23, and that's line 23, so that's correct. So then 40 22. I'm seeing 22 on line 23. Therefore, I would see 39 on 40. 39 is a thingy. I think this weekend we should try a Zoom meeting. Me and you, and I can share that display and you can chat in real time. We can get OBS to record it still, which means you can hoof it up to YouTube, but I think you'll have real time interaction that way as well. So I'm expecting on the screen okay, let me do it as player. If I do it as player X, I will always get something on the screen. Oh no, I won't, because I'll have to make a bomb live. So, that won't work. And I still think I need to offset it. I will need to offset it. No, I saw. I'm seeing a star. I see a star as the last one that way. I reckon that's not a copyright symbol. I suspect that that will be a B. Hmm. Might just be the one character out. Don't need that. Because I didn't subtract anything. I need to... Right, so bomb X is already half its width, so I need to subtract 12, which is OB, and then another 8, so that's 20, which is 1, 4, because it's offset by 8, and that should bring the bomb to the very first position. So I think when I run this, I can... Oh, I know what that will be. That's because it's not offset right. For it's not that will be because I've not done the correct check for this side. I think it needs to be on 41st position. So I'm gonna have to work out that maths. So oh no, I've got something completely wrong here now, haven't I? Oh! I've gone the wrong way. I don't want to, I want to add. Do I need a, I don't know if I need a clear there. Because it's adding with a carry, but there's nothing to carry. So when I first drop a bomb off, that should be an A straight away. It should be a copyright, and then OE. Well, let's cock that up as well. E 1428 8 1624 is ABC. I don't understand. Let's go into star. Star is 42. A's going off the screen. Is it? A's going off the screen. It's going to 42 and I want it to go to I suppose I really need that now. So I think I'm going to probably call this, if I can get this right, I'm going to call it a night. Elite Dangerous, you play Elite? Oh, I've not been on that for a bit of time. I won't be going on it again soon either. Because Flight Simulator 2020 comes out on August 18th. My order's already in. That looked odd. It didn't look quite right. That also happens a bit too soon. I can just about see that, so I need to move that across a couple of pixels. B, A. I think it's there. So the thing to do now would be to do the right, so I can write a square on the screen and make sure it's always under the bomb. Let me, we'll just run this once more and I will drop it to 5%. And then what I'll do is I'll come up with, next time, we can draw a table of rows and get it to plot where C, B, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4. It's not quite right, is it? Still not quite right. And I still see the pixel. So it's thinking 0 is only a couple of pixels on the first column. Is that because I've subtracted 8 and it's pushed it too far? Oh, and that's as far as it will go over on the other side, so you just see the pixel, so the only way around that is make the plane 1 pixel smaller. Right, 2 pixels, bomb drop, let's get that. Oh, that's good, that's amazing, I can do it in between as well, so F 2, 3, 4, D 2, B 2, 3, 4, A 2, 3, 4. So I've gone slightly wrong with C, B, A, that's it. That's it, and now it's going off screen. I don't care about that. So I've got my X and Y's. So that is 0. And the bomb stops at the right place. Sorted, old school. I don't know why. Yes. I for some reason I just kept fighting about, and I don't know what. I had to subtract 6 in the end. And I kept keeping the numbers even. They don't need to be even because you're going to be halving them anyway. It's like when you double any number, it always becomes even, and then it stays even. So even though I was subtracting 3, what have I subtracted? 7. It works out right. And I kept going between the two, and it was going a bit odd. So now I've got my X and Y correct, which means I can then see what is below that character at any given time. And I have to make that table to do the lookup, but I'm going to leave it there. So, are you playing Elite Dangerous? Or just watching? Right, so okay. What's your card try name? Yeah, so I don't know if I achieved anything more than I thought, but we have sorted out some of the issues. I'm not happy with, we've worked around an issue rather than fixing, but okay. So thanks for joining, and see you soon.